Women leaders and other stakeholders have called for more policy reforms and structured mentorship to assist women overcome barriers and build successful, long-lasting careers. This came to fore at the Lagos West Women Assembly convened by Senator Adebule. Correspondent Adebule reports.
Women across the Lagos West Senatorial District have gathered for the second edition of the Lagos West Women's Assembly, organized by Senator Adebule, representing the district, with a theme From Voice to Action. Empowering Women for Impact is an initiative that brings together women and stakeholders from the Lagos West Senatorial District with activities focused on women empowerment, health awareness, and economic support. In her lecture, Pauline Tallin, former Deputy Governor of Plateau State, on convening women in successful careers, urged government and policymakers to make laws that support women in all ramifications.
Our mothers and grandmothers lead families, sustain communities, and help society together in difficult times.
The number of lives they have stopped since our assumption of office as our senator, united as a movement. She now urges her to make sure that she continues that particular movement.
Highlight of the program is the presentation of empowerment tickets to beneficiaries alongside a raffle draw and presentation of gifts.
Women have not been given the opportunity and the chance to participate effectively. I'm calling on Mr. President that with the support women are giving him, more women should be given executive appointments. More women should be more involved in his administration when he comes back the second time.
I want to charge our women to not relent in their efforts to come out en masse, vote when it comes to the time, come January 2027.
This opportunity comes but once. They are still going to get more of it, but they should utilize it very well.
All right. I'm so happy, I'm grateful to our Senator Adebule, for this fantastic program she does every year for the women in Lagos West Senatorial District.
Organizers say the program is aimed at moving women from having a voice to taking action and creating meaningful impact in their communities. Adebule, LTV News.